Batisi TV Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors ka Jaka Dekali ka Bathamai jong ka Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordar mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jongpi
Again, congratulations, my dear. Congratulations. To the parents.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Cheese. Kau nakabanta Jongi Barot si school Auxilium school nakabanta ka nag-result ka babha ka ba irila akor badi bahon lang ilaay ka jing job lang ba ka jing tracy tom joki mar ka jing tray lang joki ban ngiru irila akor the vice captain of the school and bahon idei captain jong school pe kine ki lalong ki leader shisha ki balai nuksa nagabanta ki we ki Khynnah school ru kine ki arngot rila akor badi bahon lang ki tracy tom ki bot ya ke jing snang ke jing kraw jongi ber ke jing pen ilanti jongi no hikai but above all the credit of success goes to them because they work so hard, they were so focused in their studies, they keep their best in all that they have to do. That's the secret of success. And I'm sure these two will grow, will flourish, will continue to experience success in their life. So well done to our two wonderful girls. And we wish them God's blessing. We wish them all the best. And I congratulate the parents also who work so hard, giving their best also in the studies of their children, and the teachers. Our teachers work so hard. See, regarding that, the teachers, they try to reach out to them even personally. Some of our students, they were not able to have a mobile phone, but they reach out to them, trying to find out ways and means to meet them in their own house, some of them, and in the school, in small groups. They followed the students, they followed so well. And when the offline, no need to say, and these two, they never miss a class. They never miss the class. I think that is the secret of success. Because no one, they are intelligent, no doubt, but they work hard, they work so hard. 10%. Both 12 and 10, but 10%. This year, they really make us proud. I cannot thank God enough for the blessing. So, congratulations. We do not get rank, but the previous year we got. And Bahunlang, which year you got rank? 7 position, 16, 15. 15 position, class 10. So we never miss. Maybe we take rest for 1 year or 2 years and then again.
Nga kerteng I rilakor lamare nga de na po pokse di nga lapas ya ka Sslc exam bat nga yo top 2 kani kalong kajingyo kabakraw ya nga ya imei pa kibahiyeng bahasem pat ya ka school hi baro ko we nga sngo Kmen bat nga sngo kun ba ka jing trash tom jo nga baro sisnem nga layo ban khet yu so jo jing job men ta sngi de nga dap tang na ka jing Kmen bat ka jing sngo yu blay bola dan ringkat bat nga haman na ka jing yat linti jong ka jing im ka jonga bul aya nga ka met ka bakat ka bakhya baro sisnem te ngadap tang nak jing songu kumtu man nadu bazang school tangi klem yo nama ba mitan ko kalong ke por covid te tang kendiat benai ngi yo ban lit school hine wat la kap taru wat hapedeng ki jing jenjar hindre kino hikai gil along ki bakloi ban yaram wat la lada ka de ko online ru te ngai ngu kino hikai baro bat ngiru kum nangi ngi de ban tristom nama ba ko online ka kham jenjar ban ya ka offline ngi kham song tu ka offline hi hine wat ka taru lada phi 3 minute tristom te philna be hi the yo por nama don classes don homework te ka ba phi yo por eru lai kanta at kanta hindre hak tu ki por shaban sedang exam hang tu la nama bala yo stil akham yo por ban kre te hak tu ki por hila da pi pindan kam hai ko por hila ban le bha hindre pindan kam hi ban tristom na do kasni ke banding kong pi setang ka kelas lada pi tristom kendiat man kasni hadian kala dong kam suk pindan kam ban dal bisa kata-kata minta te ngampat la ong hindre ngan literature ka science te dep nang tan spia kalong ban tristom hakan ka ka e ba phile pidi ban imet bat min sim haba phi pule kotru pidi ban long ki ba regular man kasni pidi ban pule pimde ban i teng hadian te kata hi ke message jonga